Now we want to learn how to perform operations on our integers, right? Where we have numbers and we want to figure out how we can add, subtract, divide, and multiply these numbers together. So let's go ahead and create an additional playground. So I'm going to open up a new xcode project here and I'm going to select get started with the playground. And we're going to call this playground operations on variables. And I'm going to choose iOS as a platform, and we can go ahead and select next. And I'm just going to save this to my desktop, and then I can select create here. And once again, we're going to just remove this first line of code here, this string variable. We don't need that. So let's create two variables. We'll call the first one x. So we'll say var x, and we're going to set this equal to 49. And let's create a second variable, call this y, and we'll set this equal to 10. Well, we can perform some operations on our variables, and we could update the value of one of the variables we already have, but we're just going to create new variables. So we're going to say var addition answer is going to be equal to x plus y. And one of the cool things about Playground now is it's going to show us what the result is in this right panel over here. And we're going to see that the result is 59. So 49, which is the value of x, plus 10, which is the value of y here, are added together using our addition operator here. And that value is then assigned to addition answer. So notice the way I explained this, right? X plus y is evaluated first, and then it's assigned to addition answer. We don't start reading left to right, even though that's how your eyes would scan this code. The way the computer program is handling this is actually adding the value of x and y and then assigning it to addition answer. So the second thing we can do here is we can show you multiplication. So let's say var multiplication answer, and we're going to say this is equal to x times y, and it's going to be equal to 490, right, which that is 0 and to the 49 here. It's multiplying by 10, so it's 490. And we're just using the multiplication operator, and once again we're assigning the value to multiplication answer. We also can do subtraction, so let's say subtraction answer. We're going to set this equal to x minus y. And finally we can do division answer. So we're going to set this equal to x divided by y. Now with division here we see that there's something a little bit different, and that's it's dropping off the remainder. So this isn't rounding as you know it. It's a little bit different. When we divide two numbers, two integers together, we can capture the remainder, but we're not going to do that right now. All we're going to see here is it's going to drop off that 0.9. So the result is going to be 4. So just keep that in mind if you divide two integers together.